about, remember about the register, about how we talk to people, to make sure they listen. Well, obviously how and the tone makes a big difference. We all know that. We've been around those people that use those tones to make you feel like an idiot, you know, that pitch. So we want to make sure we're conscious of how we're talking to people so they can listen, okay? Also, one other thing I forgot, when we're filling out the insurance form online, just take your time. It really does only take 10 minutes. If you just take your time and go slowly, it'll take 10 minutes. If you try and rush through, it'll take you 15, 20 because you'll have to keep going back and back because you missed something, okay? It's real simple. It tells you what to fill out, asterisks. Bob actually did another form specific about the website. So if you have insurance or you're going to get insurance or you need to change your insurance, come up and I'll give you both forms so you can do that, okay? Any questions? Any safety issues or concerns? Okay, don't forget we got core values tomorrow, okay? All right, any questions? No? All right, thank you.